replace the lower 2 screws with the supplied bishop pins. Remove the emergency valve control knob assembly. Remove the steady flow control knob. Remove the bent tube assembly. Install the side block shroud. Start with the square opening in the back of the shroud. Stretch the shroud over the side block body and bend tube connection on the other end of the side block. Reinstall all of the side block assembly, excluding the bend tube assembly. Lubricate the opening of the regulator shroud, where the adjustment knob of the regulator will pass through. Starting at the adjustment knob end of the regulator, slip the regulator shroud over the adjustment knob. Insert the bend tube assembly into the regulator inlet side and line up the bend tube mount nut to the side block. Put the shorter adapter sleeve onto the bend tube assembly first, with the channeled end facing away from the regulator inlet. Fit the longer adapter sleeve over the bend tube assembly, with the channeled end facing away from the side block. Complete the installation of the bend tube assembly. Line up the features of both water tubes with the adapter sleeves. The water flow arrow is found on the A tube and should be positioned farthest away from the helmet. Secure the 2 tubes in this position using the wider tie wraps first. Using the 2 narrow tie wraps, secure both the side block and regulator shrouds to the sleeves. Align the access cover to the regulator shroud and install the pin until it is evenly centered in the regulator shroud.